Good morning, dear students. Today we will complete our chapter number 8. In the previous class, we have read the chapter till this line, and now we are reading again. Watch a fruit tree in the spring season. First of all, you will see little blossoms appearing on its branches. Then, after a few days, a small green fruit begins to grow from each blossoms. It grows larger and larger until it is ripe. Then we pick this fruit and eat it with great relish. If we watch any fruit tree in a spring season, first of all what we see, little blossoms, छोटे छोटे फ्लावर जो हैं वो उनके ब्रांचेस पे अपीयर हो जाते हैं, आ जाते हैं. देन आफ्टर अ फ्यू डेज, थोड़े दिन के बाद में जो ये स्मॉल ग्रीन फ्रूट्स हैं ये ग्रो करने लग जाते हैं. कहाँ से? ब्लॉसम से. और फिर धीरे धीरे ये लार्जर एंड लार्जर बड़े हो जाते हैं जब तक कि ये राइप नहीं होते हैं, पक नहीं जाते हैं. देन वी पिक दिस फ्रूट, और जब ये पक जाते हैं तो हम इस फ्रूट को पिक कर लेते हैं और ईट, इनको खाते हैं विद ग्रेट रैलिश. रैलिश का मतलब होता है ग्रेट इन्जॉयमेंट, बहुत अच्छे मज़े से मतलब हम इनको खाते हैं. समटाइम्स फार्मर पिक द फ्रूट एंड सेंड इट टू द मार्केट वाइल इट इज़ स्टिल ग्रीन. कई बार जो फार्मर्स हैं वो फ्रूट को पिक कर लेते हैं थोड़े कच्चे ही और इनको मार्केट में भेज देते हैं. द ग्रीन फ्रूट राइपन ड्यूरिंग इट्स ट्रिप टू द मार्केट. और ये जो थोड़े से कच्चे फ्रूट हैं ये अपने मार्केट जाते जाते ही थोड़े से और पक जाते हैं. फ्रूट्स आर एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर डाइट. दे गिव अस मिनरल्स, शुगर एंड विटामिन्स. फ्रूट जो हैं वो हमारी डाइट का बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है और हमें क्या क्या मिलता है इनसे? मिनरल्स, शुगर एंड विटामिन्स. द स्किन, सीड्स एंड वाटर ऑफ द फ्रूट हेल्प आवर डाइजेशन. स्किन का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? जो इसका केस है, जैसे एप्पल है तो सीड के अलावा जो पूरा उसका केस हम लोग खाते हैं वो सीड्स, और जो जब हम फ्रूट्स खाते हैं तो जो जूस आता है उसमें से वो किस चीज़ में हेल्प करता है मैक्सिमम? हमारी डाइजेशन में. Our body needs protein, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals and water for a healthy growth. Cereals such as wheat, rice, maize give us carbohydrates. Fruits, vegetables, milk, meat and fish give us protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. For a healthy body, we should include each of these in our food. Means we have to eat proper cereals, fruits for our healthy growth. So this is a chapter we have read it second time, and now we will do the word meaning of the chapter. First one is harvest time, time of the year when crops are cut and gather. Harvest time का मतलब क्या होता है? ईयर का वो टाइम जब हम क्रॉप्स को कट करते हैं और उनको इकट्ठा करते हैं. sway, move slowly from side to side. हल्की हवा जो साइड टू साइड, जो जैसे अगर हम ये ट्रीज देखते हैं तो यहाँ से वहाँ लहराती हुई हल्की हवा. overhead, above your head. case, covering. flowering plant, plant that produce flowers. blossoms, flowers. Relish, great enjoyment. Digestion, the process of digesting food. Cereals, grains that can be eaten. And now we are revising book exercise, page number 90. Complete each sentence with a suitable word. Fruits grow on plants and trees. Farmers grow fruit trees in their orchard. An area of land used for growing fruit tree is called an orchard. We pluck fruits when they are ripe. We eat only the seed case, not the whole fruit. We use fruit seeds to grow more trees. First of all, flowers appear on a fruit tree. We get sugar, minerals and vitamins from fruits. Then question answers is there that we will revise tomorrow. So today we will revise only book exercise. Match the words with their meaning. Sway, to move slowly from side to side. Cereals, grains that can be used to make bread. Harvest, to cut and gather a crop. Protect, to save from harm or danger. Orchard, an area for growing fruit trees. Blossom, a flower on a fruit tree. Where will you put I to make full words? First one is rice, ripe, pick, diet, fruit, until, relish, spring, certain, protein. Tick the right word for each blank. You should pick the fruit when it is ripe. It gives great pleasure to grow fruit trees. He fell down the ladder and broke his leg. Give the short form: is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't. Fill in the blanks with is, am, are, or was, were. This time last year I was in England. Last year I was 9, now I am 10. She is hungry, give her something to eat. Don't buy these shoes, they are very expensive. Where were you last evening? You were not at home. Fill in the blanks with was, were, or was not, were not. Meena was present but Nisha was not. It was a holiday and the shop were closed. The keys were on the table, they are not there now. You were not at home last night. Where were you? The room was very small and it was very clean. So revise this exercise once again, and tomorrow we will revise the question answers.